Assalamualaikum and hi guys, this is Farhan from Animations Geek. Today I will tell you timeline animation on Photoshop in detail. I have created a mockup which I will animate in timeline animations. So let's have a look how I create the mockups. This is the background of mockups I created. These are the bottom layers and these are three interface of mockups which I will animate on the video timeline. This timeline feature is lot familiar with Premiere Pro and After Effects. I described the basics of video timeline animation on my previous videos. Link is on the description. So here we go. Open timeline from Windows Timeline. Let's turn on our first screen. I am adding the nodes to animate the logo first. I am changing the position to animate the transform of logo. I am moving the logo with the arrow keys from keyboard. I am creating ending node first because this is the best place to arrive, as I already placed during the creation of mockups. Now decreasing the opacity to animate it. Adjusting the timeline to move the text animation geek. And now doing the same thing like I did to logo. And now same thing to the bottom layer. Now I am animating whole first mockup screen like a swipe left on a touchscreen mobile. I am doing this by creating another node on transform and opacity in timeline further than the previous nodes. Like I am doing.
You can increase distance of nodes to add a delay. Now going for bottom layer. First swipe interface is complete. Now for second screen to drag in. In video timeline animations, all you need to learn is the timing of a nodes for perfect animations.
It's too early. Let's move the node little further. I am doing same with these next two mockups as well. So I am fast forwarding it until I test and export.
Placement is a key for best presentations. I am using opacity to hide and show layers. Now switching to third interface, which is thumbs up. Testing timeline between second and third interface.
Alright guys, timeline animation is almost complete. Let's test the timeline. Now it's time to export it into a GIF format. The shortcut keys are Ctrl, Alt, Shift and S. To save it in best colors, choose 256-bit colors. Let's test it. Now save and test it on a Chrome because it runs the GIF in best performance. Okay guys, bye, take care and Allah Hafiz.